So first of all, go to the folder where you want to encrypt your files. I'll just open my screenshots folder for this demo. You can use any folder, doesn't matter. Now just click inside the folder and click on open in terminal. As you can see, CMD opens up and it already shows the path of that folder, so we don't need to navigate anywhere. Next, type this command Cipher/E and hit enter. Now Windows will start encrypting everything inside this folder, all your images, videos, whatever is here. And if you look closely, you'll see a tiny lock icon on every file. That means encryption is done. But here's where most people get confused. You might think, okay, now my file is locked, nobody can open or delete it. But you still can. You can open it, play it, or even delete it like nothing changed. So what's the point of encrypting, right? Well, the thing is, Windows encryption doesn't lock you out. It locks other users out. That means the file is encrypted only for your Windows account. If someone else logs in with another user account, or if they copy this file to another PC, they can't open it. It'll show a blank white file. And if you ever want to remove the encryption, it's super easy. Just type this command Cipher/D, hit enter, and boom, the lock icon disappears. The files are back to normal. So yeah, that's what that little lock icon really means. It's not like a password lock, it's just protecting your files from other user accounts or systems. Pretty cool, right? If this video helped you understand how Windows encryption actually works, give it a like and subscribe for more tech stuff like this. See you guys in the next one.